Weather Service in Mobile has issued a tornado warning for central Baldwin County in southwestern Alabama until 4:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:43 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Daphne, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Loxley around 3:55 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 4:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties: Baldwin, Alabama. The National Weather Service in Mobile